Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an induction module fan seal in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a razor blade. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the induction coil support panel. Lift the panel up and support it. You can now use a razor blade to help remove the old induction module fan seal, if still intact. Before you install the new module fan seal, clean off any residue from the vent duct. Peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. Then position the new seal on the vent duct and press firmly. Remove the support and reposition the induction coil support panel. Thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.